Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to find all received friend requests by date on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy and then click on Activity Log. This is where you can manage various activities on your account. Next, in the left-hand menu under Connections, click on Friends. This will expand more options for managing your friend-related activities. Now, select Friend Requests Received. Here, you'll see a list of all the friend requests you've received. To organize these by date, look at the top of the page and click on Date. This will allow you to filter the requests by a specific time period. Finally, choose the date range you want to view and click Save Changes. The list will now display only the friend requests received within that selected period. And that's it. You've successfully found and sorted all your received friend requests by date on Facebook. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching.